Hello students, hope you all are keeping well. As I told you to read the lesson thoroughly and do the exercises by yourself, hope you all have done that. And as I told you that we will be doing it together in the next online class. So today we are going to do it together. The first exercise that we have here is multiple choice questions, that is MCQ. As we do not have any copy for value educations, so we will do all the exercises in the book itself. I want all of you to mark the correct answers in the book itself and also write the correct answers in the book itself only. The first we have is multiple choice questions. Tick the correct options. First questions: what should we not do? Among these, what should we not do? Okay. A. Throw pebbles on stray animals. B. Tease younger kids. C. Do not reply to our elders. D. All of these. The correct option is D. All of these. Second, if we have some quality, we should A. Be proud of it. B. Mock others who don't have that quality. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. So the correct option is D. Neither A nor B. We should not be proud nor mock others. Third, we should always be A. Kind. B. Hard-hearted. C. Courteous. D. Both A and C. The answer is D. Both A and C. We should always be kind and courteous. Fourth, a respectful child always A. Hits stray animals. B. Mock others. C. Teases younger kids. There is a mistake here. Instead of birds, you will write kids. Correct it and write kids. Teases younger kids. D. Listens to others. A respectful child will always listens to others. So the correct option here is D. The next exercise is true and false. Write T for true and F for false statements. You will write the correct statement next to the statement given below. First, we should not respond whenever our elders call us. This is a false statement. You will write F next to the statement. Second, we should hit birds. That is also a false statement. Third, we should not care for our belongings. This is also a false statement. So you will write F next to the statement. The next we have is answer the following questions. So, as I told you that we are not keeping any copy for the value education. So, we will write the answers below the questions. Everybody will write the answer below the question itself. The first one is, what are the acts of being unkind? The question is, what are the acts of being unkind? Answer: being proud, mocking others, and disrespecting elders are the act of being unkind. I will repeat again. Being proud, mocking others, and disrespecting elders are the act of being unkind. Second question: how can we be respectful to others? How can we be respectful to others? Answer: by being polite, kind, and listening to others. By being polite, kind, and listening to others. Third, what should we do if we are better than others in something? What should we do if we are better than others in something? Answer: we should be kind and polite towards others. We should be kind and polite towards others. The fourth question is, how can we be courteous to our elders? How can we be courteous to our elders? The answer is by being respectful and responding them. By being respectful and responding them. The last exercise that we have here is fill in the blanks with correct words given in the box. We have a box here and we have to fill in the correct words given here. The first one we have is, we should always care for our belongings. The first word is belongings. We should always care for our belongings. Second, always reply to your parents when they call you. Always reply to your parents when they call you. Third, it is very important to be polite, kind, and courteous. It is very important to be polite, kind, and courteous. Fourth, teasing younger kids is being unrespectful to them. Teasing younger kids is being unrespectful to them. So, we have finished with our exercises, and below the exercises we have a activity corner, which you will be doing it by yourself. That is an activity. So you will do the activity by yourself. And the exercises, I want all of you to write the correct one in your book itself as I told you. Take care.